So this video was all about the chapter 4 of the Auto2, which is called the NDFA to DFA conversion. So first we talk about the meaning of the NFA and DFA. So NFA is a deterministic finite automaton, and DFA deterministic finite automaton are both theoretical models used in computer science and formal language theory to describe the behavior of finite automata, which are abstract machines that recognize pattern in strings of symbols. So, on the simple words on the DFA, let's think about the the person that follows the strict instructions. Like for each step it takes, there's only one clear direction to go. While the NDFA, or non-deterministic finite automaton, imagine a person that can be a bit playful. It has options to each step, taking multiple paths at times, exploring different routes without a fixed plan. It's like more complicated than the DFA. So DFA is a rule based, and NFA is a more flexible, exploratory, both help in understanding and working with partners in sequence of characters. So, as I talk about, the NFAs was more complicated than the DFA. So, here's the sample of the conversion of NFA into DFA. So, the sample is language is set of all strings over 02 that starts with O. So, we have a sample of 02. So, in NFA, arrow 0, arrow to B, and then the arrow is 02. So we make it into the graph. So A, that arrows with 0 is coming into B. So let's put a B. So the A that comes with 2 is nowhere. So we put a 0, which is the sign of nowhere. And the B that comes arrows into B into 0 is B. And as well as the B arrows to B, which is 2. That is why we put a B here and also a B here. So in DFE, so A, the arrows is letter B, and since it's nowhere, we put C as dead there. So nowhere is become C. So we put C here under the A. So the A that arrows with 2 is C, and B that arrows with 0 is B, and B that arrows also with 2 is B. So C that arrows with 0 is 2, and C that arrows with 2 is C. So that is the sample of the conversion in NFA into DFA. So here's another meaning, definition of DFA. So DFA is like well-defined, a predictable machine that reads symbols from an input string and moves from one state to another based on those symbols. It either accepts or rejects the input string when it reaches the end, depending on whether it is an accepting state or not. So in NFA, a NFA is like more flexible machine that can explore multiple paths simultaneously. It can get the right path and accepts the input if at least one of those paths leads to an accepting state. So, in conclude that DFAs are more rigid and deterministic, while NFA are more flexible and allow for non-determinism in their transitions. Despite these differences, both DFAs and FAs recognize the same class of languages known as regular languages. There are methods to convert NFAs to equivalents to DFA, showing that both models are computationally equivalent for regular languages. So in conclusion, the FA is like always know exactly where to go next following a clear set of rules, while NFA is like an imaginative explorer that can take different paths at the same time, occasionally relying on a bit of guesswork.